The perimeter of a circle. The length of the circumference. This is circumference of the circle. The length of the circumference of the circle is the perimeter of a circle. The length of the circumference means if you start from a point on the circumference, if you start moving from one point of the circumference and move to one side and come back to the same point, the distance traveled is the perimeter of the circle. Right. The perimeter of a circle will take the notation as P. The perimeter of the circle is given by 2 pi, 2, the perimeter of circumference of a circle is given by phi d, where d is the diameter of the circle. The diameter means a straight line passing through the center of the circle to meet the circumference of the circle. Here to here is the diameter. The radius means the straight line drawn from the center of the circle to the circumference. This is the radius. Radius, of course, we can give the notation as r. The diameter we can give the notation as d. So the perimeter is equal to phi d. You know the diameter is equal to twice of the radius, because you can O to here is radius, O to here is radius, therefore the diameter is r plus r, that is 2r. So instead of d we can write 2r, because d is equal to r, therefore instead of d we can put 2r here. So for our convenience we read it as 2 phi r. Here 2 phi r means 2 into phi into r. So the perimeter of the circles you can take it as P, that is equal to phi d. P is equal to phi d, or P is equal to 2 phi r. These two formulas you can use to find the perimeter of a circle. Now, for example, if the radius of a circle is 14 cm, the perimeter of the circle will be P is equal to, now since they have given the radius here, we can use this formula. That is 2 into phi is 22 over 7 and r will be 14. When you chop this 7 times 2 is, then the result will be 2 into 22 into 2, which is 88 cm. This is how you find the perimeter of a circle using this formula. You can use one of these two. When the diameter is given, you can use this formula. When r is given, you can use this formula. That's all.